Hello, everybody. This is Max. And what's wrong? This is the ESX thing. Just constantly the ESX, but I ain't an optics plan. I think the optics start plan and optics level. Because the aspects got dicks as the optics. I got figuring the actual titles, but I got it wrong. And it also doesn't say the EX every website. I also got like acrylic sinks X, so I think this game of skin. The text dozen. So look at banks. This is a trigger. I think I got ranks so we can get ranks. Like if the tanks are wrong. And then schools like we can go and take out like different run. And we can I don't think some the fire ranks, but also some the techniques ranks. That you can get, but personally, I think, well, because then, that thing, if we're going to do it right, but personally, I think I got the rank, so I think it was like thanks to tanks and clearance, so. Rings, and it was like because I went, so don't got it's cookbooks and cooking banks. If I could do our banks. Let's okay, I got to put like in like the ranks. This. Okay, so I got like I think the line, I think. Yeah, I think the line. Got the rank self. What is that? Because I don't think I've seen anything. Okay, I got. Okay, I got things like things all right. Okay, looks like. I also sometimes they're not getting things like. Things are not kind of wrong. Got the wrong. I got like things like I got the right. I got the right. I can cook drinks. Can see wrong. It does feel like slang, like I think, but this is like something I'm going to do again in R5 because of it. Because I think this should be straight. But it kind of does seem like it's like going like it does cost, and this one costs around 4 bucks, I think. I think I'm saying doing the other sign. So you got like everything going through against our drinks. That's gonna be the instant clean handbrake. It's killing. So just instant response. So you can kind of go and since. So if I can see what this thing under 5. I can't get the influence under point, so if you just use it, you can interconnect. And you guys have to use it using only using pricings or only using pricings. Like we can't use it on drinks like soda drink, drink, or like this all using. So parents like getting cooking concern. And I think this guy's next on it, so parents like stop doing things. Thanks, right? Well, I don't use this to track tank. Around because I can't track tanks at the game. Like, I guess as someone who came from a tank around, like, I think I was like, sends Instagram, but thanks. Wasn't a good run, but I think, the other thing, I should be getting a, like, eggs, I don't know, like, get the carrots and get snacks, should be coming, so you're gonna just go to the games or games, scrap game. So, let's do that. So, get that tank, and look at this guy gets rank. Can't you get that tanks? I can't get extra, something like ranks. I can screens that you could play on screen. It does like, it doesn't look something like, the fire so you could probably get, like, drinks like signs and not drinks like a third type. They also then drink in the 10x round drink tanks. They got full drink material. But this is like 10x things like of pattern. Those rings. Well, I think it's gonna go. So, if you get some characters on, the sugar thing, like bang. So it's something. Here's the content. I don't like that. It's like something like. But this is like the grand thing's right. I just can't track around the things like being a tanker. Also, it's 7. Seems like really cooking. But I think that's it. Bye for now.